everyone. Today I will take you through the native app catalog for iOS, our new native implementation built to replace the WebKit version with a faster and more intuitive app experience. This app brings all your organization's apps into one place, making it easier for users to browse, search, and install apps directly on their iOS devices. Let's take a quick look at its main features and see how it enhances app discovery and installation for our users.
So, when the app is launched for the first time, it takes the information of the ACP and identifies the user, and the app configures itself and launches the privacy screen as you can see here. This contains privacy and concerns related to the app. On clicking of Agree and Continue, it launches the onboarding screen. Taking the tour gives you basic information about screens that this app contains. That is, you can take a tour to the home screen, search screen, and My App screen. If the app does not get any configuration, that is, you don't have any profile installed, and app is installed directly from App Store, then it will still show you the privacy and onboarding screen. But after you continue from the onboarding screen, it will show you a device not enrolled screen. Users can collect and share logs using the top right button present in the screen. On the onboarding screen, there are two components which is brandable. First is the image that you see, and second is the text, Welcome to App Catalog. Now I'll show you how to brand it. So when you log into MaaS360 portal, you go to Setup, Branding, and inside Branding Elements, you see these two fields, App Catalog Welcome Message and App Catalog Welcome Image. You can edit these fields and it will reflect in your app. If anyone skips the tour by mistake, they can retake the tour by going to the Accounts and Settings page, and inside Support, we have this Show Welcome Tour button. So you can click on this and it will give you the tour again. After continuing the onboarding screen, we come to the home screen of the app catalog. And here, first is the title of the home screen, which here is App Catalog Branding Title 2. This is also brandable. That is, you can go to the MaaS360 portal and inside Setup Branding Elements, and in the iOS app catalog, you'll see the field App Catalog Text. So whatever is entered in this field, that will come as the title of the app. The home screen of our app is divided into 5 sections. First one is the featured carousel section, which is a horizontal scrollable view. Second is the most downloaded section. Third one is the bundle section. Fourth is the apps and bundles, and fifth is the all category section. I will explain each one of them. So the first one is the featured section. It contains all the apps and bundles which is marked as featured by admins. So here you can see this is an app which is marked as featured, and here this is a bundle which contains list of apps, so this is marked as featured by admins. It also contains the featured text that you can see here written like Google or IBM apps bundle or social apps. So this is controlled by admins from portal. And in the bottom you can see the apps or the bundle names written. Now I'll show you how to add apps and bundles as featured from portal. From portal, go to apps, catalog, and in the featured section, go to add featured, and here you can select the app or bundle. I have selected VPN, and you can give the featured text that you want to show on the app catalog. You can choose the banner, and you can also choose the color of the featured text. You can click confirm, and this app or bundle will start rendering in the carousel section of the app catalog. Second section is the most downloaded app section. This contains apps which are having install count greater than 0. So we can click on see all and see the apps here. First, this IBM MaaS360 is having 7 downloads. We'll check other app which is having 4 downloads. And it shows all the states of the app present like open, get or requested state. Since I have MaaS360 installed on my device, it is showing in open state. You will go to the app details if you click on the app, and you can see the app details page here. Now, the third section is the bundle section of the app. This contains all the bundles distributed from portal. We can click on See All to see all the bundles, and on the home screen we can preview these bundles. So if you click on any bundle, it will show you the list of the apps which is distributed inside this bundle. We can click on Get All to install all the apps distributed at once, or we can install each particular app by clicking on the Get button. Last two, we have Apps and Bundles and All Categories section. Inside Apps and Bundles, there are two tabs, All Apps tab and the Bundles tab. All apps contain all the apps which are distributed to the device, whether it has install count of 0 or greater than 0, and the bundles will be present in the Bundles tab. All Categories section filters the apps based on their categories. So we can see the list of categories here, and let's say we go to the business category, so we can see all the apps uh, which are having category of business are listed in the business category, and respectively we can see the state of the app like open, get, or if you click on get you will see the requested state. And let's say we'll see other categories. So this is games category, so it shows all the apps which are having the category games. Next, we have search screen. In the search screen, we can search for any apps and bundles, and it will show the result. The search is enhanced to search not only through the names but also through their description and categories. So let me search here for MaaS360 browser. So first it will do exact name match. You can see the result here present. Now let me search IBM, and it will show all the apps and bundles which starts with IBM. So this is partial word match. And we can see the recent searches, like I've searched for MaaS360 browser and IBM. So we can clear this search history using the clear all button present in this screen. Next screen, we have My Apps screen. So it will list all the apps which are installed on the device, and the state will be open. And it will also list all the apps which are installed on the device but are having state as update state. That is, the app is needed an update. Right now, I don't have any app here, so it is not listing. And in the updates available tab here, you can see it will list the count of the apps which needed update. So right now, my count is 0. If you click on this, you can also update all the apps at once using the top right button, which will be enabled when any update will be required for any apps. Now let's see the app details page. What all information does it contain? So we can open any app either from most downloaded or clicking on these icons from the bundle section, or we can go to apps and bundles and open from here. So let's open one app. So the first information that it contains it, the name of the app, then the source of the app, the download count it has, then the state the app is in, which is get or open or update or requested state. Then we have what's new section, preview of the app, description of the app, and details, which contains information about the category, version, and the required OS version for the app. And in the end, we have the reviews section. So it will show all the reviews added to the app, and you can add your review by clicking on this button here. So if the app is not installed, it will ask you to install the app first, then you can add the review. On the home screen top right, you can see there are two icons. First one is for refresh. Second is the icon which will take you to the accounts and settings page. This is divided into four sections. First one is the account information, which includes information about account number, device ID, username, and email. Then we have settings, which contains two buttons for auto update apps and app notifications. Thereafter, we have support, which has so welcome to a button, which I have already explained. Then we have phone number and email, which we can set from portal. So on portal, you go to setup, settings, and then basic enrollment setting, and you can see corporate support information. So you can enter your information here and it will show in the app. After support, we have a collect log button. So if anything goes wrong with the app, we can collect our logs using this button. And the next section, the policies and terms. So it contains all the policies and the license related to this app. That's all. Thank you.